Hey, hi all. Uh, Today we will discuss about an important function model which will be used in determining the item category into sales order. That is RV underscore VBAP underscore PSTYV underscore determine. And the backend database table which will store this item category determination is T184. So in your project, there might be a requirement to determine the item category. Then either we can write a select query on this T184 table by passing the relevant information like sales document type, item category group, item usage, and higher level item category. Or else we can call this FM, RV, VBAP, PSTYV determine and get the relevant item category into sales order. You see the standard FM also trying to get the item category from T184 database table. Uh, and in the Vivo V4 config, the T code Vivo V4 it is used to uh, maintain the item category determination. In this Vivo V4, we can maintain 11 manual item categories. That means in the sales order, we can modify that item category as per our wish and according to the item category maintained in Vivo V4. And you see here in T184 table we have 11 item categories has been maintained. And in this table we can see who created that record.